looked at the stars in the night. Dreamed of rockets taking flight in a world.
Science and elemental technology are better than things I know in my life. Because science is my future. Science, elementary. Science, technology. Science, elementary. Science, technology.
She has a big dream, wanting to become an artist.
I am here to present you what we call wind farms. We use wind farms for teenager where wind comes from.
Girls are powerful, girls are capable, yes, girls can do.
The girl in science stands so tall, empowered, bright, a hope for all.
Girls are powerful, girls are capable, yes, girls can do stand. Yes, girls can do stand. We can do stand.
In a world of numbers and gears, girls stand strong, embrace their fears. From the love to the stars, we fly so high. We break their limits and reach the sky.
In a world
Tatu hariho GS cyangwa
Congratulations and celebrations. When I tell everyone that you're in love with me.
wanting to become an artist.
GS Muyange.
Who would believe that I could be happy?